Sean Mnangagwa, the son of Emmerson Mnangagwa, is garnering international attention. His military career is highlighted alongside other prominent sons of African leaders in a recent feature titled The League of Extraordinary Soldiers. Sanamina mashoko abuda panapa vanhu vachitaura pamusoro aiwa pekukwiridzirwa kwaita Sean Mnangagwa aiwa muAfrica panguva ino vanhu vari kuona seemove vari kunyatsokuona kuti this is misuse of power. Sanamina mashoko amudanyika panapa subscribe or like out on the bell like kuchivina panapa zimwe kudanyira kuti this recognition not only cements his reputation as a disciplined and capable soldier, but also raises questions about the future in Zimbabwe's socio-political and military landscape. A life of service and sacrifice. It is claimed that, unlike the perception of privilege often associated with the children of political leaders, Sean Mnangagwa has earned his stripes through rigorous military training in China, Russia, and Zimbabwe. Sean's inclusion in the elite groups of leaders' sons, alongside figures like Rwanda's Captain Ian Kagame and Uganda's General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, highlights a growing trend in Africa, where the next generation of political families is actively involved in the national security and government. This shift challenges traditional notions of entitlement and privilege associated with political dynasties. Ndo mashoko anobudanyika panapa vanachiona kuti aiwa this move yavari kuona kuti vana vemapolitical leaders vakuincludiwa aiwa political environment pamwechete nemuthe military vanhu vari kuona vachiti socio-political environment in the next few years aiwa inenge yakamira zvakanaka here tiona kuti aiwa these guys vanenge vachimboawardiwa on favor. Todzai mafunguro enyu kuti kudei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu, tsona subscribe or like